Hi, second graders. Happy Wednesday. It's a wonderful Wednesday. Today you have a special guest reader, which is exciting, and you have PE today with Mr. Taylor, which is also exciting. So I thought those were two kind of different things about today because you won't be seeing Mrs. Coslow today since you'll be going to the surprise guest reader. So you can click on that link and find out who the guest reader is going to be and enjoy the story. Now, before that, you're going to have a little morning work. Let's commence with the morning work and commence our word of the week. Last time we wrote the sentence, when the players have finished warming up, the ball game will commence. Today, and we wrote our guess, and I said start. Today you're going to write down the definition. That means really what the word means. And I looked it up in a dictionary, which has so many words, and in ABC order, and it tells what the meaning of the words are. The meaning or the definition of the word commence is to begin. Now, after you write down the definition, you can see here that we're going to write down synonyms for the word. Synonyms, think same. Antonyms, think opposite. Some synonyms and antonyms would be synonym, same. I said start or begin. That means the same as commence. Antonyms means opposite. So different than commence, the opposite would be finish, stop, halt. So today you're going to write down the definition, synonyms and antonyms, and then lastly, you're going to write the part of speech. That basically means what kind of a word is commence? Is it a describing word, which is an adjective? Is it a person, place, or thing, which is a noun? Or is it an action word, which is a verb? Okay, now if you thought about it and you said action word, it's a verb, you are correct. Commence means to do something because it means to begin or to start. You're actually doing something. So for part of speech here, I'm going to write verb. And verb, everybody, is an action word. And you're going to do an activity with verbs on Seesaw today. And you're going to write, what is a verb? You would write or type action word. And I gave you some examples of verbs. Run, walk, jump, talk. Anything where it's something you can do is a verb. All of those are good examples of a verb. So go enjoy that activity on Seesaw for your morning work. And then later today, you're going to read a story about not giving up. And we call this growth mindset. So you are going to do an activity and you're going to talk about how you do not or donut give up. And you're going to write sorry, boys and girls, 4 things that I can't do yet. So we have 4 boxes here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to write 4 different things that you can't do yet. Doesn't mean you'll never do it, but with practice, you will eventually. So 1, 2, 3, 4 things that you can't do yet. In math, you're going to be doing another sprint. On page 9, see how far you can get. Now again, this is adding tens. Just adding the ones to the 10 to the other number and changing the 1 spot. So adding to tens, we want to do that fast and quickly. Now today in math, you're going to do what you did in first grade. Read the problem, draw it, and then write it. You guys remember RDW, read, draw, write. This is the application problem. So you'll want to do this slowly and take your time. Now on the next page, you're going to be doing some more math problems to show us that you really understood the math video and the learning about adding and subtracting bigger numbers you can use a hundreds chart, you can use number bonds, but you need to find a strategy that works for you. Today, you will be posting pictures, if you would like, of your math onto Seesaw too. Okay, now a fun part of today is you get to decorate your writing folder. So I started to print pictures and gather stickers that I'm going to use to tape or glue onto my writing folder. Now this should be things that I love to help give me ideas to write about. So feel free to decorate the front and the back with things you love. Okay, friends, I hope you have a great day, wonderful Wednesday, and we will see you soon. Bye, second graders.